Okay, practice 3, A, B, C, and D. Let's go ahead and do that right down here where I got a little bit of more room. All right, practice 3. Let's go with letter A to start off with. Solve it out for the variable. Okay, I'm going to subtract 13 to start this thing off. Watch your arithmetic. 9 minus 13 is a negative 4. Divide both sides by 4. And when I divide both sides by 4, I get x to be greater than negative 1. I'm going to go ahead and just graph it out real quick, just so we have a graph of it. Doesn't ask you to, but I will just go ahead and do that. Negative 1 is gets an open circle. We want numbers greater than that, so I'm shading to the right. Practice B. 3, 4 minus 5x greater than 8x minus 149. I'm going to start off by distributing. And I have x's on both sides, so I'm going to go ahead and move the smaller one. And I tend to add, or I move the smaller one by adding 15x. And I get 12, and then on the right-hand side, 23x minus 149. Okay, all the x's are on the right. Let's move everything else to the other side. So let's go ahead and add 149 to there. 12 plus 149 gives me 161. And then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 63. And as I divide, sorry, not 63, that's a 23. And as I divide both sides by 23, I do not flip around the inequality because I am not dividing by negative or multiplying by negative. So that's the only time I flip it. On my number line I go. At 7, I am going to be open. And now, this is where students have an issue with about which way to shade. Wherever way you shade is going to be your solution zone. So if you think you should be shading at 8, all right, to the right, 8 should make that a true statement. So plug it in and ask yourself, is that a true or a false statement? 7 is greater than 8. That is false. So that means I should be going the other direction to the left. 7 is greater than 6. Now that is a true statement, and I would be shading then to the left. Okay? Pause.